one was very special. Also that it was a kind of a second phase of an earlier workshop. It was a very condensed over just 4 days, and it was very nice to see how the projects developed from being very raw in the first day to becoming more and more architectural.
One great thing was that, of course, we had this continuity from last year. We kind of collected a lot of material, a lot of information, sort of the conditions in the city, in the markets being distributed. We also had the same team.
Maybe not only for the students or not only for the student projects, but for us it was interesting to see how research can transform into application.
You can clear up the snare.
How do you make this also visible? How do you make it?
Don't defeat advertising.
But you should work with architecture to make things attractive or to bring people somewhere.
文化というふうに言われているところに行くんです。で、
I want to do this, it would be very more interesting to bring this light from all the way up. Obviously, there seems to be a transition of sort of tradition, generations, the use of the market, and I would see this as something positive. I wouldn't only see it as a problem and now we have to find a solution, but I would see it as kind of a generator of creating something special, something different, but kind of still keeping its function as a market to also attract locals.